Alrighty guys, Josh was down here helping out old James that got junk and acquired a 4L60E transmission. We're fixing to try to get it out of here. Hey, looks like we've already worked on this. But I think our plan is for some reason or another, the cab mounts are already unbolted. The only thing really holding this thing on here is probably a little bit of wiring, and the body mounts up here in the front. I think we're fixing to fire up the torch and blow those out of there, and then probably set this truck down and rip the cab off of it with that there SkyTrak.
Before we rip the cab off of it, we're cutting the wiring harness back here
for the transmission.
So we get the transmission harness with it.
Yep.
And right here's the harness that I need.
So that should come up here and unplug somewhere, Joshy.
Oh, it's the thinner of the two.
Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, it goes right up here, and I bet you if you let her down and we look under the hood, we can probably see where that plugs in at.
The most expensive hydraulic lift we got access to.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it splits off right down there. Yeah, it's that one that you just had your hand on, Josh.
This one?
Yep. That's the little one coming from down from the bottom. That comes up, that plugs into that. That goes into whoop-de-doo. And then you get into your fuse panel here. And it's going to be in there somewhere. Alright guys, we're going to start ripping this thing apart and figuring stuff out. I'm going to jump off here. Don't want to bore you too much with little details. We'll jump in here, yonder, and there. Alright. I was trying to get it filming before we got that far in the air. Alright, well, basically we just need to hack that bunch of wires there, hack that cable there. That cable right there's got some tension on it. Might want to set her down just a hair. Alright, that'll do. Oh yeah, that's
bolt
a hell of a
cutters.
cable. Yep, got to get the bolt cutters. Alrighty, we got that crap cut loose, so got some more shit. Yeah, we got more wires hanging. Got transmission lines. Oh yeah, heater hoses, stuff like that. How's that song go? It's time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. If our wives don't catch us, we will get away with this shit. Doo-dah day. Where's your cutters at, Josh? I don't know how much of that I got on camera, but at least got the sound. Here, I got a knife for that shit. Alright. Cab's loose, guys. We get that thing where it's not dangling 10 foot over our heads, and we got full access to transmission. Hey, a funnel thingy.
Yeah, it's one of those that screws on the bottom.
This train, we might have worked on this thing before. Look, it's missing bolts. Alright guys, we're going to jump off here and get back to work on this. Alright guys, transmission mount. Yeah. Whoop. That Milwaukee's a little heavy. Yeah. You never know whenever you need one of them strap kits. I just had to buy one the other day. What do we got here? That should be park, reverse, neutral. Apparently that wasn't neutral. Maybe that's backwards. Maybe that's park, reverse, neutral.
Or maybe that transfer's locked up.
Yeah, or the transfer could be locked up. Find us a tool here.
That's driveline pinched.
Ah, yeah, the drive line's pinched up. That's probably why it ain't doing nothing. Is that a slip yoke? Alright, we're going to have a pry bar. A lot of stuff on this video here. Definitely going to have to do some editing. Alright, that'll come free with, that should come with the transfer.
Yeah, but it's bent.
Oh, that's bent. Oh yeah, she got a humdinger in her.
So I'm not going to keep that drive.
Yeah, alright, we got some motor mount bolts up there, and then I think we can just rig something up on it and pick it up out of here, guys. I'm gonna get off here and yeah, we're gonna set this down. Probably get back on here whenever we get a little closer to being ready. Then they should just lift right up out there. Yep, coming right up. That was actually pretty quick.
We got one thing left hooked up.
Oh yeah, one last power steering line. And whoop! They're hacks! They're hacks! They're hacking everything!
Hey, they're good at working in the junkyard.
Yeah, guys, stuff usually whenever it hits here, whenever it's in the shape and condition this truck was, whenever it gets here, it's getting crushed anyway, so it's gone. Nobody cared enough to try to save it. And it wasn't something we were interested in saving. We know for sure we're keeping the transmission, transfer case, and engine might come back. We may or may not buy the engine. We don't know, but we're going to take this stuff to the house and separate it and figure it out from there, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.